The 1 inch punch is not a fighting technique. It's a drill. In a fight, you won't stand like this, measure 1 inch and then kill somebody. It won't work like that. It is about creating maximum power from minimum space. I'm saying why just 1 inch punch? You can do 1 inch front kick, 1 inch side kick, 1 inch elbow. The technique will not work in a fight because this is not a real technique. This is not a fighting technique. Welcome back. Today we are going to talk about 1 inch punch and does it work in a real life fighting? मैं आपका मतलब सस्पेंस इधर ही खराब कर देता हूँ. नहीं, it doesn't work because this is not a fighting technique. See, please थोड़ा सा सब्र रखिए. I know Bruce Lee was very powerful and he could push somebody off like. But the thing is, even Bruce Lee did not demonstrate 1 inch punch like in the middle of a fight. Like he didn't say that I will dodge a kick and then I will place my hand like this and then I will kill you. He did this just like a demonstration of a maybe Wing Chun exercise or a technique or like just a demonstration of his strength. और यही बात है, it is a drill, it is an exercise, it is a demonstration of his strength and explosiveness. The 1 inch punch is not a technique to be done in the middle of a fight. आप कर नहीं सकते फाइट के बीच में. दिस इज लाइक अ एक्सरसाइज जो आप रोज करते हैं और इसको रोज करने से आपका क्या होगा, आपके अंदर एक एक्सप्लोसिवनेस आएगा सो दैट यू कैन क्रिएट मैक्सिमम पावर इन मिनिमम स्पेस. आई एम नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट इन चाइनीज मार्शल आर्ट. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. Most of the styles, I know there are many different approaches. Most of the styles in Chinese martial arts and Wing Chun, like it is mainly like उसका एक जो main aim है, it is about using the attacker's power and going with the flow, right? So most of the techniques look like this, right? It's actually somebody's punch, you're blocking. And this is किसी की गर्दन, somebody's neck, you're bringing him down and maybe then knee strike, right? So it may look like this when they're doing solo practice. It may look like mantis style, but the thing is it is actually like very close grappling or things like that are going on, but they have modified it and made it into like slow exercise, breathing pattern, tai chi and all. Like they have many takedown techniques, right? If you block a kick like this with a hook and then you bring it down and maybe you can punch, that is a takedown. But the same thing, they're doing it like this with a flow. So many techniques in these traditional martial arts are actually going with the energy of the opponent. They're fighting close, they don't lose contact with the enemy, right? उसके साथ ही आप ऐसा खेल रहे हैं, right? एक फ्लो है. जब आप इस तरीके का फाइटिंग अप्रोच फॉलो करते हैं तो क्या होता है कि you don't have space for like fighting. You don't have a lot of space and convenience to throw punches like, no, you don't have. You are in a clinch. Maybe you are in the middle of a wrestling match or like it is grappling. Somebody has taken you down. अभी ग्राउंड पे फाइटिंग चल रही है, आपके पास जगह नहीं है ये बड़ा बड़ा काम करने की. सो आपको क्लोज में ही जितना उधर स्पेस है उसके अंदर से ही मैक्सिमम पावर प्रोड्यूस करना है. So the 1 inch punch is nothing but an exercise, a drill to create that explosiveness, to create maximum power with minimum space. सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि क्या है ये और कैसे करना है. How to do it? Nothing, very simple. Target. Usually it is done like this. This is more than 1 inch. Nobody cares. Nobody is measuring. Right from here, you can just fold your hands. It's not about the tightness of your fist. It is also about like what force you carry from here. पीछे से आ रहा है. Right? So it is a lot of hip, it is a lot of back muscle and it is a lot of the same explosiveness we were talking about. So not all people can create maximum power from an odd position like almost punching and right, not everybody can do that. So this is a drill which helps. Maybe like this. From here I'm using my legs also, I'm using the hip also. You might have seen this one goes like this. So it is facing the opponent and now this one facing maybe the camera. तो यहाँ से ऐसा elbow सीधा होता है and we are also using like each joint we are using this one was like this and when I am punching I will be straight. So ऐसा very much similar to the Wing Chun punch, right? So like this So this joint and this joint, shoulder, hip, plus the pushing with your पैर के साथ जो pushing आप कर रहे हैं, all that coming together, right? वो जब एक साथ आएगा तो यहां से कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा, यहां से सीधा, यहां से सीधा, यहां से सीधा और नीचे से pushing. So it would look somewhat like, right? Now that gives power. Now many times in demonstrations, masters will tell their students to stand straight. पैर को देखिए एकदम ऐसे, and then they will push with the 1-inch punch. And the thing is that anybody will go off balance. I'm not talking about pushing. Don't misunderstand 1-inch punch by pushing. Please come close. ये मैं ऐसा धक्का नहीं दे रहा हूँ. It is not about that. अगर धक्का देने की बात थी, if it was about pushing, like you can see, yeah. See how powerful I am. No, it's not about that. अभी अचानक में बारिश आ गई थी तो वीडियो मतलब ऐसा म्यूट रहेगा. पंचिंग बैग से ज़्यादा आप एक लाइटर टारगेट पे करें तो बेटर है, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट पुशिंग, नो, वी आर काइंड ऑफ पंचिंग, काइंड ऑफ एकदम ऐसा अंदर घुसना चाहिए, राइट? उस तरीके से ऐसा, राइट? ये पैर से पावर जा रही है, हिप से पावर जा रही है. आई एम यूजिंग द शोल्डर ऑल्सो. सो अपर बॉडी एक साथ मूव करेगा, जस्ट लाइक अ पंच, लाइक जस्ट लाइक अ हुक पंच, राइट? सो पैर and upper body ek saath along with the hand moves like this. So it's better when you practice with a lighter target. Now it's more like a punch, you don't have to push, it is punching, right? So yeah, Bruce Lee, no. Now once you are done practicing this drill, now you have to apply the concept and the power and the efficiency in creating maximum impact in smaller space. Now you have to use this in fighting. Example, boxing. When you are very close, you're in a clinch, right? जब आप ये सब नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, you're close, your hands are like criss-crossed, एकदम सांप के जैसे एक दूसरे के अंदर. So many times you can reach around and people try to bring the guard down and then punch. It doesn't work. So from there itself, if you can punch, it's good, right? If your hands are locked, maybe it's like an underhook, right? From there itself, you can, right? It's not a knockout technique, but something is better than nothing. So from grappling, from clinch, maybe like you are under somebody and you don't have that maximum space for doing this, but you can do like from here. What you can do is this, right? सिर्फ इतना ही जरूरी है. You're inside and that makes the difference. Now not just for punch, you can apply the same style of training for your kicks, for your elbow, and for anything else, right? This can be like a 1-inch front kick. Simple, right? You can practice this with a front kick. Like keep your foot like almost extended and then kick. This is not the most powerful kick, but of course it will increase your power. If you can already produce like an impact, like इतना आप कर पा रहे हैं, अगर आप यहाँ से इतना कर पा रहे हैं, तो आप ओरिजिनल वाली जब आप फ्रंट किक करोगे तो मे बी इट विल इम्प्रूव, राइट? Maybe after that it will have some more power. 1-inch front kick will be difficult to practice in air, but nobody is watching. You can do it on waist level, right? नीचे भी कर सकते हैं, नीचे एकदम ऐसे ले गए and maybe kick and come back. ये control आपका बढ़ाएगा. This will strengthen all the muscles which are responsible for lifting all this, right? Hip flexors. 1, extend and kick, come back. 1 and come back. 1 and come back. It's not easy. This is the challenging exercise. If not for anything else, for challenge you can try this. Similarly, 1-inch side kick. What I mean to say is, you can go slow, extend, and then, right? That will add to a different kind of power when you do the original side kick. So if your side kick is like this, maybe after practicing this, it becomes somewhat better. So this can be practiced like this in air, extend and back slowly. Same concept which we used in front kick. Yes. Punching back में भी हो सकता है, right? Now this is more fighting oriented, so we are not using back leg side kick. It takes too much time. Front leg, right? practice this with your elbow strikes also, right? If you are like a traditional elbow strike guy, you can go like 1 or like from here 2, because in traditional Shotokan, I don't know much about it, but in our Sangukai Shotokan, other than the regular punching, we sometimes practice this also using this part. So after the punch, extend it like this. We practice this. So it is almost like a 1-inch punch, right? So not only here, right? Not only here. See, the same thing you can apply in your elbows, right? From here, 1, or from here, 2, right? Same thing. और इन elbows का प्रयोग आपको बस में चढ़ते हुए नहीं करना है, उतरते हुए कर लो. So that's all for today. Keep practicing. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon. Kalari Dhoti, if you like, you can order online. Link is in description. Karate Tea online class, link is in description. Follow me on Instagram और नहीं वो छोड़ दीजिए. हमारे घर में छोटे छोटे बिल्ली के 3 बच्चे हैं, नए मेहमान हैं. अब उनका नामकरण हम छोटे वाले चैनल में करने वाले हैं और बहुत मेहनत करके हम ऐसा कुछ अब्बा डब्बा जब्बा टाइप नाम रख देंगे क्योंकि वही हमारा लेवल. क्या कर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए उस चैनल को भी, तो मतलब वो भी आप देख लें. एनीवे छोड़ो.